Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel and welcome back to another video. So in this video, right, I'll be reacting to two of my favorite comedy skits. Cause you know we used to do comedy skits back then. I think it was probably like 2014, 15 around that time. Right? So the first one I'll be reacting to is called Secret Recipe. So I know from hearing the name, you know, so there's a secret in the recipe. Yeah, and the golden rule, hit the like button. Now. Like, I noticed I reach 5,000 views with just 1,000 likes, you see me, and that is not a vibe. So if you want to make it a vibe, click the like button right now. Yeah, right now. Alright, so let's move on. First video, Secret Recipe. This is a long intro, because back then I never know about intro, you know. Like, I never know about intro, so I'm going to kick it off right now. I don't know why I'm nervous to play that video, but you know. Alright, let's get into it. Bricktown Records. Straight out of Jamaica. Yo, back then, in that video, yeah, no, someone never know someone could have danced. Better than Michael Jackson. Tell me the truth. In case no one know who the brother you be, you see me, this is my cousin Bijah. You see, big up yourself.
If you eat up my dumpling down, my girlfriend I come over dog and I 10 sheet my youth, and then she comes to the thick shot dog, she gonna hang me dog. Dog, she gonna hang me my youth. What kind of thing that they put dog?
Yeah, so basically me that say me have my girlfriend and you know she crave him, and if she comes to the dumpling them shot and she gonna hang me. You know, she gonna kill me. You see me? And this was film reply to all of that.
Dog, just calm down, man. You don't know say I'm hungry. That's why you get big and fat, so you got
Right, go, show it to me, man. Come on, show me, dog. Come on, this man.
Yo, Bijah, taste this.
People don't ever see somebody throw a dumpling from across the road, go kiss somebody else and them catch it and just bite it. Alright, that person you know, a Bijah, you don't know from day one. You see me? Everybody know Bijah from day one. Like, him did it from day one. You understand? And big up Bijah. Is it? Back into the video.
Mohammed, that's one. Dog, I'm a new ringtone, isn't it? Hello?
Yo, who make them dumpling?
Them dumpling are bad, come like magic in a them dumpling, dog.
Who make them?
What we go find? A Jnel, man.
What's
Go
Jnel?
get the recipe, dog. Tomorrow, one thing.
Go find a recipe tomorrow, but
But like, AIDS.
Bad like AIDS. We used to say that all the time. Bad like AIDS.
Yo, Bijah, remember who want crush the ends then? Where they pan? Go link up, pan ends.
I'm here for it.
People, this shot was a like a full shot. I mean, the two man them talk on the phone and them they beside each other, but one there on the side of the wall, one there on the next side. You don't know, back then we did have some little props where, you know, we add to the video, make the video like funny. You understand? I saw we know so we are the king, you know, at comedy skits back then. But you know, we continue and see what will go on.
Come on, dog. I said that. Yo, fuck.
Wanna do this now?
Man, all are chewing the floor, dog.
Yeah.
Yo, from yesterday, me have one of them in my pocket in the dog.
You still them up one in them pocket. Tell me now, you think that good?
High grade.
My probably a baking powder.
Whisper.
Yo, what have
Whisper.
you put in there?
Dishwashing liquid.
you know.
Dishwashing liquid.
Dishwashing liquid. Alright, it get disgusting right as now. Yeah, sandpaper. Yeah. Foot water.
Hey, boy, Jnel.
At this moment, Jnel knew he fucked up.
Yeah. Yeah, this is my old logo back then with me. This is me. If you can see, this is me. This is me subscribe. It's all about comedy, blah blah blah. This time it was Jnel TV before I changed it to Jnel Comedy. Because you know, me have a little, me know some I have a little issue with the TV thing. Like I can't go up on TV and say yo big up Jnel TV. That's you know. But that's why I changed it to Jnel Comedy. Yeah. So basically, in other video the peeps, I know you guys can tell there's a, you know, something where tastes nice, tastes good. You understand? But you don't know where it come from. But you know, say all in way it tastes good. But when you did if you see like how them actually make it, you understand? I know the normal way. You understand? So with that video I know you guys get the concept, isn't me? I'll be adding my ways to do back then before we start even tricky questions. Long before. Isn't me? So alright, so the next video is the meter man, right? And I'm not going to tell you what happened because I want to watch it. But yet again, I have a long intro. I don't want to skip all the intro. I just make it play just at this. I just make it play just as it is. You see me? So, I could kick it off. The meter man. Big up intricate, intricate decent.
Babes, and I hurry up and go work you later. Give me a brush and go.
Are you not telling me?
No,
Them time I don't have no ear from my head. I just strictly waves. I don't know if you can see it good. But you know when you start the 360 wave, but you don't know that back then. So
later, give me a brush and go.
Are you not telling me?
No, I'm not ready. Just go on, man.
she run me for go work.
Later, I love you.
I mean even pick up and say, you know, she run me for a reason, but she just run me for go work. Bijah again. You see me? Bijah is today in a world probably the back then.
What? Me I come no.
She just called Bijah on the phone and me just come out of the yard.
Come out of the road, my yo.
First, let's say what kind of driving that I think a China man. See me? Then the boss across the road. Now, this brother nearly licked me down from the road with the van, right? And at my yard in the dog. Long shit for calling. He didn't even knock, like him go in the yard and he didn't even knock people, like real. She up and ready. You know what I'm saying? You know the thing, husband gone to work, I always left something at the end up come back. So in this case, I left my phone. I think I'm a phone, I don't know if I'm a phone or a key. No, I couldn't make it, I must have phone. How can I find this on the gate?
2, 3. Yeah, get come on, come on.
Who the brother?
And the meter, man, him come for the meter.
And the here she say, at the meter man, him come for read the meter. And him a go reply say, at the meter him come for fix.
Come to fix.
What can I meet? Who you?
Someone in the ears to me.
Listen,
Come
we
on,
got
babes,
fix the
you
meter,
know what
man.
you're
Where's
doing.
it?
Yeah, man,
We
I
can
want
fix
to
the
call
meter.
meter man, babes. You don't know.
I meet the
Please
man.
don't beat some man, yes, babes.
I meet him.
Sometimes
Yeah,
I
the meter, see there, the meter
And
come
meter
from-
come early. Every time when I go to work, I come.
It's a misunderstanding. Sorry about that.
Babes, I just the meter the man come for.
No man, when them thing that come go on,
Come look
tell
weird,
when the
man.
people that come on.
Like looking at this now, and me not have an ear on my head. Me just look weird. Like a Jnel that? No, that's just the J. You never reach Nel yet. You see me? But let me continue.
Yeah,
Alright, just go tell the man sorry, babes.
Boss man, you good?
Yeah, man, alright, you know.
Sorry about that. We're going on while I was
Yeah, man, everything good, man. I mean, you read our meter every time you go to work, you know, isn't it, son?
So really good.
You hear that? And me read our meter every time you gonna work. I may even pick up. But it's alright, Bijah. It's alright. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, my G. Let me continue.
I mean, really good, man.
How do you get some wrong estimated bills? See me so, man.
Or me talk to them ups about him, man, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Come on, man. What is my shoulder?
Oh, being rest and being.
Lotion has smell different.
Alright, so basically in the last part there, so is me she tell me say a beard she just done beard. So in my mind, yeah, she just done beard. Lotion upon her shoulder, but it never turns out to be lotion. You understand? And me, the foolish one, try to determine if a lotion or not the wrong way. Like, me even I try to determine, I just wipe it off her shoulder and a lotion that smell different. But me never yet see a lotion smell like that. So I could have what that. You understand? So one of the viewers is me just leave a comment, is me in the comment section and tell me what you think that was like pan her shoulder. What you think that was. You see me? Yeah, and that's it. That's the end of the video, you see me? So this is my two favorite not my two favorite. I mean, all of them are my favorite, but these two, you know, they kind of stand out in certain way. You see me? I'm not going to go too in depth, you see me? But you don't know. Remember if you like. Every time I say remember, I always say remember. Remember if you like, you see me? Share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified after every upload. You see me? If you still not get notified, just unsubscribe, subscribe back, and hit back the bell, because sometimes YouTube are going to bag of shh. You see me? So, yeah. That's the end of the video, peeps. Thanks for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel. Comment who you want to react to for them video back then, if you used to watch a video them back then. You see me? And I think we are going to make everybody like, you know, do a little reaction thing to the whole videos with them in it. Yeah. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Alright?